Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Spark Racing. I am going to be doing a NASCAR Heat 5 League Season 2 for the Cup Series, and then I'm also doing a Truck Series. For both series, there'll be links in description for Cup and Truck. So feel free to join. It's in a Discord, so if you have Discord, that's where the platform is on. Feel free to join in. We have like 10 people in the Cup and like 8 people for a Truck. So just feel free to join and good luck. Thank you. This will be played on NASCAR Heat 5 on Xbox.